You make me happy, skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine.
Time forever.
Come on.
Really? What kind of pit bull? Huh?
Oh! Seriously?
Nothing stops a professional branch manager, not even a minor workplace injury. Doggo meant to nap, but accidentally booted up judgment mode. News energy. Other one, daily newsletter energy.
Hello?
He's crazy, isn't he? Yeah, he's crazy.
Come here. Come on.
Some dogs fetch. This one makes Grandpa do cardio.
It's okay. It's okay. Good boy.
Good boy. Good boy, Habs.
Good boy. Muy bien. Good boy. You ready? It's okay.
Oh! Seriously?
Nothing stops a professional branch manager, not even a minor workplace injury.
ไอ้โทนมันยังไงเนี่ย
แม่เข้ามา
กูก็จะเข้า
ไอ้โดนกอดไว้แม่เร็วแม่เดินเข้ามาดิกอดไว้
Leave me out, Fiddle.
Oh boy, oh boy. You have to help me. Look, poor little girl. It was wonderful at first. A Christmas
Such a tough
dinner.
life, huh?
Nothing's
I know. Oh my gosh, now.
Just getting comfortable now.
What?
Let's go to side.
Dog!
No, stop. Come on.
You want a treat?
That moment when the kid becomes this corgi's personal snack manager.
Are you let me finish. Are you
Welcome to a world where dogs believes they were born for the lead dramatic role.
What are you doing? We're going home. Let's go, we're going.
You make me happy, skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine.
He's jumping like his whole life depends on that one toy. Doggo meant to nap, but accidentally booted up judgment mode.
Hi.
Nana's house is basically where dogs don't get fed. They get emotionally overfed.
We're caught! We're caught! Okay. Hey, wait a minute!
Safe, warm,
Abi seni bıraktı da elin kızını aldı da gitti yavrum. Gitsin ne yapacaksın? Mutlu olsunlar da. He. Yanıma geliyor bu ya beni sevdi.
And back, and two, and back, and two, and turn. Oh, so good. So good. Oh, my goodness.
Yo me voy de acá.
Que efectivamente, a pesar de no daba los plazos como para que hubiese sido una pieza importante ante la ausencia de agua.
Man lives by one rule. The puppy's comfort is always the priority.
We have to go home.
Who could ever say no to this adorable puppy? Papa accepted his...
Olha, gente, olha como é que eu fico. Ele não faz isso comigo, ele me ignora. A única coisa que ele faz é me ignorar. Só vem pro meu lado.
I love you.
Inclusive, a primeira vez que ele estaria praticando crimes na região. O alerta foi então dado pelas vítimas e o sujeito que não teve o nome revelado.
Isso, minha vergonha!
The reason humans are powerless against doggo love.
Come here. Come on.
Some dogs fetch. This one makes Grandpa do cardio. With this level of pampering, it's no wonder the dog never wants to leave Grandma and Grandpa's house.
Hey guys, we got time?
Time forever.
Come on.
Not all heroes are strong, some are small, furry, and walk slowly beside Grandpa. This is Grandpa-ing Grandpa never runs out of patience for his furry baby. No rush, no noise, just comfort. That swing's powered by years of love.
It's not gonna fit him.
Aww.
It's so hard to find him any.
Hey guys, should we go outside?
We're caught! We're caught! Okay. Hey, wait a minute!
Safe, warm, packed and ready for the best kind of weekend, Grandma's Cuddles.
Selbst kann was richtig, bist du ja lustig. Okay?
Die.
I told her to lie down again, and she flopped right on my...
At Grandma's house, they're not pets, they're the grandkids.
I'm jealous.
You gotta go to your bed. Come on. Stop. This is Grandma's bed.
Dude. Oh my God.
Now she's not. Don't you get loud?
Doggo is protecting top secret documents.
Comfort.
Operation Sofa Takeover. A deliberate distraction was the master strategist's chosen tactic.
Huh?
Mom and Dad have rules. Grandma and Grandpa have unlimited cuddles. Puppy only accepts premium human lullabies. Love raises the... This is Grandpa-ing. Grandpa never runs out of patience for his furry baby.
No injuries were found, only a drama king suffering from attention deficiency.
What's wrong with it?
Dogs always know who spoils them the most. He is a fish.
Somebody's feeling a little replaced in the back seat.
Grandma said just one treat, and we all know how that goes. And that's why dogs will always have our hearts, forever and always. Thanks!
I was like, what's wrong with it?
No. No.
Çok seviyorum.
He?
Çok seviyorum onu.
O seni seviyor mu?
Onu beni de seviyor.
Ha.
Beni de seviyor.
Yaramazlık yapmıyor değil mi?
Beni de seviyor. Deme.
Pascal.
Se queda como un pancho. Vamos, sí.
Lady. Whoa, 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 she's a lady.
I just asked you. Are you free?
Але важко тримати злобу у серці, коли у світі так багато краси. Іноді мені здається, що я бачу її всю, і це стає...
Deténse lo que era.
I love to get in sparkly dresses.
Higit na kailangan mo ang Diyos sa buhay mo. Higit na kailangan mo ang biyaya ng Diyos. Diba? Kasi kung aalis ka sa...
Excuse me? Excuse me? Where do you think you're going? You can't take those.
Hello?
All ideas slide right off, like a water slide.
Not a house guard, a male... Two dogs, unfamiliar humans require investigation, judgment, and a very serious security clearance process.
Excuse me? Excuse me? Where do you think you're going? You can't take those.
Vai, gafa. Ajuda ele.
Higit na kailangan mo ang Diyos sa buhay mo. Higit na kailangan mo ang biyaya ng Diyos. Diba? Kasi kung aalis ka sa...
No. No. No.
I love you. Say I love you. I love you.
Dogs are naturally protective of the people they bond with, and this guy is clearly all in.
What is this? Are you just like completely just limp right now? Moxie, let's go.
Look, my dog, I hold on to it good. Look at him take his little paw. He passed me on the chest. Yeah, look. You like me?
Get loud.
Sadie.
Hello?
It's okay. It's okay. Good boy.
Good boy. Good boy, Habs.
Good boy. Muy bien. Good boy. You ready? It's okay.
When grandparents gave him VIP treatment, and now Doggo is refusing checkout.
Come on, Zeus. Come on, then. Zeus, come on.
Fun fact, golden retrievers love attention. Even their foals ask for applause.
Going from side to side.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
Here. You see? About 1, 2, 3, 4 feet away from you.
Nope.
Oh, that's belly rub. Shh. Want a belly rub?
She's such a spoiled dog.
Ever wondered why life's better with dogs? Let's dive in. Packed and ready for the best kind of weekend, Grandma's Cuddles.
She's like, and you.
What are you doing? We're going home. Let's go, we're going.
Comfort.
Sóplale, quiere con el freeway. Ahora sí que se lo come el freeway.
He's crazy, isn't he? Yeah, he's crazy.
Selbst keine Facilität, bist du ja doch nicht. Okay?
Die.
put up pictures of all the grandkids. So you got all these grandkids here. You got some more over here.
Hey, let's go.
Oh.
Reluctant coexistence turned into unconditional love.
I told her to lie down or get out, and she flopped right on my...
At Grandma's house, they're not pets, they're the grandkids.
I'm jealous. Olha, gente, olha como é que eu fico. Ele não faz isso comigo, ele me ignora. A única coisa que ele faz é me ignorar. Só vem pro meu lado.
Happy birthday to you. Happy.
Joe. Oh my God.
Now she's not. Don't you get loud.
No, it's not time to eat. No, it's not. No, it's not. You're going to have to wait 1 more hour. 1 more hour.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
You dropped my baby. Chippy dropped you.
No, he dropped himself, being so excited.
Happy Valentine's.
Ever wondered why life's better with dogs? Let's dive in.
Somebody's feeling a little replaced in the back seat. No injuries were found, only a drama king suffering from attention deficiency.
Yo me voy de acá.
Vem cá na vovó, vem. Aí a vovó quer mostrar o rabinho, pois você quer mostrar o rabinho pra vovó?
This dog is so...
Vai, gafa. Ajuda ele.
Çok seviyorum.
He?
Çok seviyorum onu.
O seni seviyor mu?
Onu beni de seviyor. Beni de seviyor.
Yaramazlık yapmıyor değil mi?
Beni de seviyor.
Pascal.
Doggo is protecting top secret documents.
A proven fact, nothing can go wrong when Grandma is around.
Lady. Whoa, 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 she's a lady.
I just asked you. Are you?
Do you want to live with your granny or do you want to live with your mama? If you don't want to live with mama, let me know.
Not all heroes are strong, some are small, furry, and walk slowly beside Grandpa. He didn't raise her as a pet, he raised her as his daughter. Full-time nanny, part-time grandpa. His happiness...
Happy birthday to you. Happy.
Multitasking at its finest. Cooking and making sure her boy is not feeling alone. And that's why dogs will always have our hearts, forever and always. Thanks.
And back, and two, and back, and two, and turn. Oh, so good. So good. Oh, my goodness.
¿Qué se siente ser blanco? Está chingón. La neta sí está muy chingón, no se los voy a negar. Hay días que me levanto y pienso...
Once a dog experiences grandparents' house, normal life just doesn't hit the same.
Come here, let's go.
One dog, dual operating systems, and they are not synchronized.
Why are you huffing and puffing? Are you mad? You should be so happy that you're dressed like mommy right now. We're twins. Look happy.
My